Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is India. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, sis. I appreciate the support. As y'all can see by the title, this is going to be how I install my mini twist. Y'all, I love doing these mini twists. I don't do it often because it's time consuming, but it's definitely a great versatile hairstyle to have. So let's jump into some products. So I did already wash my hair with the Royal Oils Head and Shoulders shampoo, and then I followed that up with, of course, my deep conditioner, and I used the Palmer's Moisture Boost deep conditioner. Now, as far as my stylers, I'm going to be using the Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe Miracle Hold Gel, and I'm going to be using that on my roots. And then on the length of my hair, I'm going to be using the Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe Curl Definer. And I'm going to use that on the strands of my hair so it can stay hydrated and get curly at the ends as well. All right, y'all, let's jump right into it. So to be honest with you, this is fairly simple and easy hairstyle to do. The hardest part about this whole hairstyle is getting your part straight. And the cat is out of the bag. Like, your girl cannot part straight. Like, I could get my middle part down packed, but parting is not, like, you know, something that I do very well. Every time I try to part my hair, it's just, I just get tired and I'm just like, somebody else can do it, okay? But I am trying my best to just part as straight as I can. What I found is if I part my hair straight down the middle all the way to the back, from the top of my forehead to the back of my neck, and then if I part it going across from ear to ear and just make those four sections as clean as possible, then that helps me as I'm parting the rest of my hair, especially in the back. Once I get to the front, of course, it's easier because you can see it. All right, now once you get your parts the size that you want them, or in my case, the best that I can get them, you're going to go ahead and apply your product. And again, I'm going to use that styling gel by Taliah Waajid, and I'm only going to apply that gel to my roots. And the reason why I'm going to apply the gel to my roots is because I want to make sure that my roots kind of lay down and they stay down, because that's what's going to help the twist look neat, especially when you get finished. Then everything will look real neat and slick and sleek. So that's the kind of look I'm going for. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the curl definer. And the curl definer is pretty thick, so a little bit goes a long way, but this is going to help to add moisture to my hair as well, since I plan on having these in for a while. And then also it's going to help give me that little curl at the end that I'm looking for as well. So once you have all of your products in, then you're just going to go ahead and start twisting. And I like to twist tight as possible so that the twist can, you know, hold and just give me that nice twisted look. But y'all, that's about it. We're going to just keep taking these small pieces, applying the gel to the roots, applying the definer cream, or excuse me, the curl cream to the length of my hair, and we're going to twist all the way down to each twist is complete.
It's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are.
And we finally made it, y'all. So I had to go grab my mousse. I'm using the Design Essentials, the African Sheba, I think that's how you pronounce it, line. You can use any kind of mousse you want to. It's just going to set the style and then help further with curling the hair at the ends. Y'all, I was so tired. Again, these mini twists will put you out, okay? Like, it's cute, but it definitely takes a long time. So I'm just going to apply the mousse, and then that's pretty much going to be the end of this hairstyle. You guys, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know, have you ever done mini twists before? If you have, let me know, do you like doing it? How good are you at parting? If you've never done it before, are you interested in doing them? Is the time, like how much time it takes, does that scare you away from doing it? Y'all talk to me and let me know. Like I said, I think it's a really cute style, and I'll probably do like a short video to let you guys see how I style them, because sometimes I wear them down, sometimes I put them up in a bun, sometimes I put it up in a ponytail. There's so many different things you can do and cute looks you can wear with them. Like I said, they're super versatile. So y'all let me know what y'all think about these mini twists. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Would you rock them on your own, and have you already? And yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you've made it this far to the end of the video, I hope you have. And I hope you are subscribed. If you're not, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Y'all, don't forget to like the video. That helps me tremendously, as well as leaving a comment. Talk to your girl, because I'm here to talk back to you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time.